Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Happy Sunday to you all. It's your number one beautiful fashion stylist. In today's video, I bring to you this amazing guys. This one is screaming serious guys. I love this outfit. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Stay tuned and watch this amazing video to the end because it's so stunning, so sophisticated. It's very beautiful and amazing. I combine both dinner date style for you in this video, and also we have a lot of different fashion styles for you, both for suma, I hope I pronounce it well, both for suma or for dinner date, or for just going out for that party that you want to attend to guys. This outfit is all screaming luxurious, it's screaming rich auntie vibes, it's screaming very demure, very pretty, very classy guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end because you will love, you are going to love it. It's 10 over 10 minus nothing. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to my corner. In here, I share a very beautiful and outstanding fashion styles, hairstyles, and many more. For all my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much for always tuning in to watch my video. Thank you so much. If today is your first time of seeing my video, welcome. I love you guys also. So stay tuned to support me. Make sure to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe for more guys. Please tell me on the comment section the one that you are going for, the one that you will love for this trending outfit, the one you are going to pick guys. I love you guys so much. Enjoy watching this video. Bye.